For my first video, I'm going to be talking over my lightweight Trangia Cookset system. It's going to be compact, versatile and robust for solo cooking and cooking for up to 3 people while out on the trail in any conditions. I really do love this thing. My pot is the Tomshu Titanium 1100ml titanium pot. It has foldable handles and on the inside graduations in fluid ounces and milliliters. It comes with a snug fitting lid with a lockable handle, which is really useful. However, I like to get a bit creative when I'm cooking, so I often take a pan with me, only 12 grams more than the lid itself. It's titanium, unbranded pan that nestles really nicely with the pot. The burner itself is the time-tested Trangia with the simmering and snuff lid, which comes everywhere I go. I really do love my Trangia. The windshield itself is the surprisingly robust Trangia Triangle made of lightweight aluminium and held with the baffles in either corner. My mug is a Life Venture 440mm lightweight titanium mug with foldable handles. And to pack this away, I start with the Trangia Triangle, just clip out the burner holder and then unsnap the triangle from the baffles really easily, then lay it flat into 3 bits and make sure that I give it a little bend and then squeeze it down right into the pan. It's this compression here that's going to keep everything in the Cookset really solidly in place and rattle free. This mug, I can see why lots of people have it. Slots in right here, but any standard size mug will fit in here. Certainly the enamel ones, which I used to use. The burner itself, I always put in a plastic bag. I don't really see the point in getting rid of the excess fuel after you've used it, but I also have had one leak on me before. It really ruins your coffee for the rest of the trip. It's not worth it. In this bottle is some washing up liquid. I very rarely take washing up liquid out, so I'd probably put olive oil in another pot for future. Trusty, again time tested Opinel knife. This goes in my pocket or on a lanyard, and that'll be with me for the trail. Tomshu again, this is my collapsible lightweight titanium spork. I don't need a long handle because I never really use these pre-cooked meals with the big bags you need to get into. The scourer, I like using metal because you can disinfect it on the flame. And today, just a standard Bic lighter, but otherwise I might use a fire stick. Make sure you shove that all in there with the scourer last, and that stops those little bits from rattling. Here I have a flannel. You can also use a microfiber towel cut into half to clean your dishes. That just stuffs in at the top there over the mug, and as you can see there's plenty of space for condiments, other bits and bobs, essential items you might need, all rattle free. You can use this lid on its own, which is 26 grams, or if you want to be a bit more adventurous and you need a pan for 12 grams more, you can slide that on. It's got about 5mm of wobble, but if you can use a ranger band, elastic band, string or a strap, it'll hold it securely in place, making sure it doesn't rattle. All in all, a really nice, lightweight, self-contained cook pot for the Trangia system, and I'll be showing you some recipes throughout the series. Like, comment, subscribe for more.